In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to enhance your financial management experience. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply looking to optimize your use of this tool, today's guide will walk you through some essential tasks that will help you get the most out of it. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're on their homepage, take a moment to ensure that you're logged in. This step is crucial because you'll need access to your account to complete the following tasks. If you aren't logged in, go ahead and do so now. Now, once you're logged into QuickBooks, the next thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Reports tab. You'll find this on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Reports are a vital part of any accounting software, giving you insights into your business's financial health. By clicking on it, you open up a world of financial information at your fingertips. After you've entered the Reports section, look for the Custom Reports option. This feature is very handy as it allows you to tailor the reports according to your specific needs. Maybe you want to focus on a particular time period or a certain aspect of your business. Customizing the reports helps you zero in on exactly what you need. Moving on, still within the Reports section, you'll see something labeled Management Reports. This is another useful tool where you can get a comprehensive view of your business's performance. So, click on that to dig deeper into the data. Once you've accessed Management Reports, look for the Plus Management Report button. This option will help you start creating a new management report, which can be invaluable for presenting data to stakeholders or simply keeping track of your business internally. You will then want to click on Template. Templates can serve as a starting point for your reports, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Whether you're working on a balance sheet or an income statement, starting with a template makes the process both faster and simpler. After you've explored the template options, there's a little step you shouldn't overlook. Click on the X in the template menu to close it out when you're done. This keeps your workspace clean and ensures you're ready for your next task without unnecessary clutter. Next, visit the settings by clicking on the related icon. Here you can manage various aspects of QuickBooks, from general settings to specific report settings. Checking this regularly can help you ensure everything is configured correctly. Finally, if you ever feel the need to switch the interface, look for Switch Account to Classic. This will change the layout to the Classic version, offering a different user experience that might better suit your needs or preference. And there you have it, a complete guide on maneuvering through some fundamental aspects of QuickBooks. With these steps, managing your business finances effectively should be a whole lot easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.